possible buy in gold right now. Lower rated because we're right in front of that 50 XMA. We do have a higher low on the action line. We have decent bottoming formation. We got upslope in our action line. So the negative is the resistance right in front of the trade. Open this up real quick. So, I mean, really good bottoming formation. The question is it ready to go right now or not? So we're up 4 ticks. I locked up my stop. Winner. All right, guys. Nice little trade there. Nice little opportunities. Oh, sorry, I should have blown up the chart a little bit bigger. So let's go through this trade real quick. Okay, let's go through the trade real quick. Basically, what we were looking at here, we kind of were watching gold a little bit. You know, we were watching it come down pretty hard. And then I talked about this. See how we have this bottoming formation here? It's kind of rolling over. So we got this really strong move down. And then once we get to about here and we have this shallow up and down, and then we kind of have this little bowl forming here. Okay? This is a bottoming formation. And when we get to the opposite side of that bottoming formation, the biggest thing being this higher low pivot in the action line. Okay, we talk about this all the time, right? Once we see this action line low, and then we see the higher low in the action line, that tells us, okay, now we want to be considering and looking at a possible, or be more interested in possible buy-side scenarios. So once we got that, I was more interested in buy-side scenarios, and then I just started looking for what I've been emphasizing the last few days is our PEDC. Okay, we have a down closed bar here. We have a down closed bar here. What happens over with the pulse line, pulse extreme line during those two bars? Does it move down? No. So we have a pulse count of +2. That's what we want for a trade. Now officially for a trade we need to have an up closed bar like we got and an up hook in the pulse line. We didn't get the up hook, but I mentioned to you guys when we started trading today that I wasn't going to be demanding that up hook every time, because look what else we got. Okay, we've got a flat price action basically, and is the OS line flat? No way. Huge upside divergence. So we got upside divergence happening. You can see it starting here. Price action's going lower, OS line higher. Price action lower, OS line higher. We got a lot of divergence. We got the lower high on the action line, excuse me, the higher low on the action line. We got the positive pulse count. So even though I didn't get the hook up, as long as it didn't move down, that was enough for me. Bam, we're long. Nice, easy winner. Okay, so that was the basis of that trade, and we got a good one. Let's look for our next opportunity.